Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another vlog. Currently I have my wide lens on and zoomed out all the way, so this is what a vlog looks like, kind of like a vlog style way of shooting with the wide lens. Currently I am in Breckenridge, Colorado, so if you look around me, we got mountains in the distance, awesome sun right there, nice sun flare going across me, and everything looks really good on this lens. This is my first time testing it vlog style, so let me know in the comments if you're liking the way it looks right now. Also, another thing is that currently I'm using face tracking, which is working really well. If I go here and here, I move it this way, that way, it does track my face really well, so that is a very, very good feature with this camera. Alright guys, so I'm going to go around exploring this town, get some awesome shots for you guys, maybe go to a lake and get some photos for Instagram. So let's go ahead and dive into that. Alright guys, if you look behind me, all this snow and everything looks awesome. Currently in the city where I'm from, we currently don't have snow now, but we will tomorrow, that's for sure. If you look in the distance over here, we've got an awesome mountain. Just look at that over there. Alright guys, real quick, go ahead and comment right down below if you're liking the way everything looks right now, the wide angle lens, just the way everything is in general. So a lot of you guys have wondered, where did I go? Where did the vlog go? The reason for that, and I explained it a little bit with some cell phone videos that I shot, is that I actually had to sell my old camera because of financial difficulty during the government shutdown that happened recently. So with that money, I went ahead and bought this Canon 80D camera. I also have a 10 to 18 millimeter lens on right now. So this is as wide as it goes, and once again, this is as far as it goes. 18 millimeters right here. Sorry guys if my words are getting a little bit slurred right now. It is really cold. I probably won't stay in this town that much longer. Maybe a few more clips of me walking around, talking to you guys, and then I'll go ahead and see if I can try to find that lake I was looking for. So guys, because I live in Colorado, I'm not really that far from the mountains. Awesome ones like that right there are only a couple hours away. Now I don't go to the mountains like every day, but every couple months or so I'll go ahead and go there. It's a nice little road trip and also great for photos and video work. Alright guys, if you're wondering how deep the snow is right now, I'm just gonna step this in for you. My foot goes all the way down into it. Deep, super deep, even deeper. Yep, that's pretty deep. Hey guys, so I just realized from checking my camera settings that my shutter speed was way off for video work. I just shot some really good photos, so because of that, my shutter speed, I forgot to set it back. So now the motion blur should look pretty good right now. Very cinematic, hopefully. Alright guys, so currently I'm on my way back to my car. I want to go to that lake, check it out, get some awesome photos and videos for you guys. 1 second, see you there. Alright guys, so after searching for a little bit, I found out that all of the lakes, every single one that we're trying to go to, is closed off. Alright guys, so currently I'm at the end of a dead end. I've got my car parked right over there, and if you look in this direction, you got an awesome mountain over there. I took a couple photos, but I no longer have a drone in my possession, so because of that, I can't really get any aerial shots, but I mean, it's a pretty cool mountain. I think I got some pretty good shots of it. It keeps going back from cloudy to sunny, to cloudy to sunny, guys, so exposing this video is becoming quite challenging right now. Those of you guys who are filmmakers know exactly what I'm talking about. So guys, as you can probably imagine, after driving in the snow a lot, my car is pretty dirty. Let me show you what I mean by that. This is what my car looks like right now. So yes, it is covered in dirt everywhere. And also for those of you guys who are car enthusiasts, if you hear my exhaust right now, that's an idle. Sounds pretty mean. I plan on doing another video showing my car in the future, but as for now, today I'm just kind of in the mountains, snow, testing out the camera and the audio and all of that, so I will save that for a future video. So guys, I guess that concludes our little Breckenridge journey. I'm gonna go drive back home, see if maybe I can find a lake on the way, something to show you guys that looks spectacular. So go ahead and stay tuned for that, guys. See you guys in 1 second. Alright guys, so I did find a lake. It's over here, this big entire thing right here. But as you can tell, it's super windy, super cold too. That's why I have this on right now. But yeah, looks pretty cool. I wish it was not exactly frozen over, but I mean, hey, it's still pretty cool. Let's just do a little bit of a walk going over here, guys. I am talking a little bit louder because I've never had to use this mic with wind before, but as you can tell, nice view right here. Mountains in the background, frozen lake. That's a good thing for me. It just so happens that the place that I got a parking spot at is a middle school. It's located right over there. So that worked out pretty handy for me. All right, so the wind's kind of died down again, which is good. I think it's like gusting over here. every once in a while is what it feels like. But yeah, so it's a nice view right over there. Don't you guys like this wide angle lens? I know I do. Okay, now the snow's starting to get a little bit deeper. My foot is just going straight down almost on certain parts. I'm really loving this camera so far, guys. What do you guys think of it? You know, I think the pictures look good, the audio sounds good, but that's not really what the camera's doing. It's more about the microphone on top, but still, this camera's good. It's looking good to me. And yeah, I think I'll definitely stick with Canon from now on. So I'm still venturing out here right now, trying to get on top of this section right here so I can get some good photos. Okay, now this is super deep. Look at this, like my feet. Okay, now I'm climbing up this area right here. Wow, this is quite the view. You know, for those of you guys who don't know why I started vlogging in the first place, the main reason is to document things in my life, so I can look back on them and be proud, I guess. I mean, it's always good to document things like this that don't really happen every day. If you listen closely, you can hear the water rushing right down there. Did you hear that? This is a great place for photos. Like, I've never been to any mountain or frozen lake that looked just like this. But yeah, I'm liking it. Liking it a lot. Alright guys, so this is going to wrap up today's vlog. Hopefully you did enjoy. And yeah, I'm going to take some pictures of this right here and edit this video that you guys are watching right now. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I just wanna say